Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
How many pillars of Islam are there?
5.
What are the pillars of Islam?
Shahada, declaration of faith. Salah, prayer. Zakah, charity. Psalm, fasting. Hajj, pilgrimage.
What are the Shahada?
To bear witness that there is no deity but Allah and that Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is his messenger.
What are the obligatory prayers?
Fajr, Zuhr, Asr, Maghrib, Isha.
What is Zakah?
A specific portion of wealth is given to those in need.
What is fasting in Ramadan?
Abstaining from food and drink from dawn until sunset.
What is the night better than 1,000 months?
Laylatul Qadr.
What is Hajj?
Pilgrimage to Makkah to perform specific religious rites.
Who must perform Hajj?
Every adult Muslim who is physically and financially able.
What is the reward for a properly performed Hajj?
All sins are forgiven and one returns as pure as the day they were born.